What is up, guys? So, as most of y'all probably seen on all my other social media platforms, me and this truck here went to Van Wert, Ohio to the Freedom Truck Meet. Did well. We won Best Crew Cab of the show. But, you know, there was a few other little things that a lot of people didn't see and a lot of people didn't know. And you can't really tell in pictures. But, yeah, let me flip you around here. We got some damage. But with that damage and the upcoming clips, you will see what all is damaged, what all is about to go down, like full repaint again. But it's all getting fixed, and I want to just keep you all updated and let you all know. And I'm definitely going to keep you all along the ride on this second restoration process of this truck. Hopefully, well, not hopefully, but it will for sure be back better than it was even this last time I redid it. So hope you all enjoy what's coming on the rest of this video. I lost a lot of my footage, so I'm going to go ahead and apologize up front, but there is still several good clips and several other things that I have still from that weekend. So enjoy. What's up, guys? We made it down to Crude Diesel's house here. We're heading to Ohio tonight. As you can see, we got her all loaded up here. Got his Illuminati in tow. And yeah, we're getting ready to pull an all-nighter and drive all the way to Ohio. So hang tight, we'll see you all there.
We coming, Cole? We're coming.
What you say, big guy?
That's heavy. It's a heavy load. My load is heavy. I deliver heavy loads. What?
Well, 8 hours later, we've made it. Get y'all turned around here and take a look at this. Well, we got old girl unloaded. We're gonna get the four-wheeler off, and then we're gonna get this old girl all cleaned up. She's a little dirty. Well, as a lot of y'all know, we came down here to Cole Motors Meet, the Freedom Truck Meet. And as y'all can see behind me, they're about to do some dirt drags. Check this out, guys.
Versus Chevy.
Well, this is fixing to get interesting. Saturday, and figure we'll go ahead and cut to an edit of the show so y'all can enjoy it. Here you go. Check out the new owner.
Listen, I could not pass up the deal. $2,500. I bought this crew cab second gen, pearl white, beautiful.
Only what, 124,000 miles?
124,000 miles. Thing's mint.
Minty.
Taking it home, and I'm gonna total it. Good night.
Alright guys, well, we got some rough news. I'm gonna edit in a clip here in a minute and go over it all, explain it all, but Sheriff's Department is here, and Lindsay's truck, one of Greg A's guys, and both CJ's, mine, and these two over here all got peppered with rocks. Our paint and everything is pretty well destroyed, along with windows and mirrors, and for me, a headlight. So yeah, we'll keep you all posted. Stay for this next clip. All right, so over here we got paint chips, and as all y'all guys know that do follow me and subscribe to my channel, this was painted 2 months ago, and it was all fresh paint. There was no chips, nothing like that, no dents, nothing. But headlights, trash, you know, everything. So definitely gonna have to get her taken home, get her stripped down, and get her repainted again. But there you guys go. You're seeing everything that happened. So, but we did get in contact with the guy that did it, and he is making it all right. So with that being said, she will be back together and will be just as good as it was before. But I appreciate all you all watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you all on the next one. Thank you.